Local health experts are worried about the alarming number of vaping-related illnesses that just seem to be happening so fast.
Yeah, just last week, state leaders recommending all Alabama residents to stop vaping until more research can be done.
Our Morella Porter meeting with some local health experts to get an update on where we stand today here in Alabama. Morella, what can you tell us?
Byron, Lanice, there are lots of different theories out there about what could be causing these sicknesses related to vaping, but health experts tell me flat out right now, no one knows for sure.
Local health leaders urging people to stop vaping until more research can be done.
These substances, they have the ability to very rapidly change someone's life.
Experts with the Centers for Disease Control are investigating 800 cases of lung illnesses from vaping. 12 people have already died in 10 states. These numbers don't include Alabama, where as of last Friday, 16 cases were under investigation. The epidemic reaching Mobile, where 3 teens were hospitalized a few weeks ago. Across the country, reports show 2/3 of cases are people between 18 and 34 years old. Despite new state laws on vaping restricting purchasing age, Dr. William Poore with the Pulmonary Associates of Mobile says the biggest concern is how easily available these devices are to young people.
Do we really know what our youth are putting in this? Where are they getting it from? And I think that's the more alarming factor here.
The different designs of vapes and e-cigarettes make them very appealing to teenagers. And now this can be pretty scary for parents. Now looking at this one right here, this looks like a cartoon image, while this one looks kind of like a USB. Kind of scary, especially for parents who don't already know what they are.
Really, none of these chemicals, legal or not, belong in your lungs.
Virginia Guy with the Drug Education Council says vape pens are often seen as safer than cigarettes, but safer doesn't mean safe.
You're getting a different chemical cocktail, you're getting a different level of nicotine, because these products are basically unregulated. Then when you start talking about the black market products, that creates even a bigger issue. So, we have no idea what's in those products.
Virginia Guy says doctors in the state were only told to start reporting what they think may be vaping-related illnesses around mid-September, so the numbers could be much higher. And Juul releasing a statement about the illness, saying Juul exists to help adult smokers switch off of combustible cigarettes, and they've been monitoring the situation closely. They went on to say, quote, "We appreciate the work of the CDC, FDA, and other public health authorities, and are confident that they will get to the bottom of the issue." Live in the newsroom, Morella Porter, Fox 10 News.
All right, Morella, we want to dig a little deeper into the states impacted by these lung illnesses. As Morella told us, there are at least 800 people affected nationwide. Well, look at the map. The darker the color, the more reported cases.
States like Texas and California have between 50 and 99 reported cases of lung injuries. The blue, just one shade darker, like Utah, North Carolina, and Tennessee. Well, they're seeing between 30 and 49 cases.
Well, again, so far, take a look at Alabama. It's one of the few states reporting 0 cases of these lung injuries.